Today we'll talk about how can you find messages on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your messages. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on messages down here. So you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find all messages you have. Here can you find in red here, or here spam, or so here all categories of messages you have, and here you will find all messages you have in this list here on your Truecaller app. So that's all you have to do now. I wish you I get it. That's all to find your Truecaller app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.